FOMO is real.
You know the deal. If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and spin the wheel. I know you missed it, but we gon' get it back. Get it back. Natural shrimp ink. Look, that's how we stack. SHMP, we call it forward blue. I bet you wish you had it in your hands and that you.
I missed it today, man. Yo. Cheers, man.
You got some dollars, go invest that shit. Cause the fear of missing out will leave you desperate. Make some money, go and buy
Who's like ACB? My number one pick for February. February ain't over yet. Time to celebrate. That FOMO's real, man. That FOMO's real. Damn. What? What? FOMO, yeah, you know the deal. If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and spin the wheel. I told you follow the boy. Yo, man, what are you guys gonna do, man? Are you guys? Do you guys believe what is happening in the cannabis sector? Phone ring. I'm sitting here painting. Flipping stocks, flipping houses. Stay tuned. I am making a video about flipping houses. It's true. While this is happening, people are winning. It's true. I mean, let's take a look at the winners. There's a lot of winners, eh? A lot of winners. What? And that FOMO? Oh my goodness. It's crazy. She's making you want to celebrate. What? Man, what a day. InMed Pharmaceuticals up 16%. InMed Pharma. Yo, don't sleep on InMed, eh? Don't sleep on InMed Pharma. You know? Yes, obviously Aurora went up. We know Aurora went up. Organogram has been on fire. Organogram also had a monster day. Flower, FLWR, had a monster day. Neo, I've been talking to you guys about Neo. Neo did not disappoint. Neo at $9.79. I said, pardon? Neo is on fire. Yo, man, I'm celebrating. I've been painting. A lot of fumes from all this paint, man. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Are you guys celebrating this day? This is a glorious day. This is a glorious day because I'm looking at the market, okay? And I'm sitting here going, what happened here today? Like, what happened? Like, everything is green. Chronos Group up 6.86% at $21.64. What? Afria up 6.5% at $10.32. What? ACB at $10.20. What? Everything is blowing. Man, I said T-God was a buy under their IPO price, and they are a buy. They are a buy. How loud can I say it? I told everybody that when MedMen was under $4, they were a buy. Hello, McFly. We know this. We know this. The market is on fire. We are in the cannabis stock revolution. Listen to what was predicted, okay? I want you guys to really remember what was predicted, because this was predicted.
Cannabis stocks and CEO interviews.
This was predicted.
By Rich TV Live.
This shouldn't be surprising anybody. Unbelievable.
Haters and they trolls, they're trying to get their lawyers.
How can anybody be surprised what T God's doing?
Meanwhile, what they're trying
Cannabis
to do
growth
is
at $60.
take advantage of the cannabis stock
Weed
resurrection.
up 5%.
That's what's going on. That's the truth. This is your boy Rich, and I'm Mo.
Everything just green. Kush bottles. I gave you guys the full alert. Up 3%. All of this was predicted, guys. All this was predicted. Listen to the words. Yo, ACB's going to the moon. I got my top 10. I got my top 10 for March. So, right here. Put over there. Working on it. It's got to be perfect. I was trying to give you guys like a couple of new ones in there. You know what I mean? You want to see my March top 10? Do you think that ACB is part of my top 10 for March? I like SNN. Are they part of my top 10? I don't know. Give me your top 10. I want to see your top 10. Everyone thinks it's so easy. Give me your top 10. What am I saying here?
Invest in the best because the best is blessed. This is your boy Rich. We're up. Peace. If you're not winning, if you're watching, this is a cannabis stock revolution. It's true. Get ready for the resurrection.
Medman, SSN, ACB, TLTH. I like your picks.
He knew it was going to explode. He knew it was making money, and he knew to crash your homes. Oh, yeah, these are the big boys. He also predicted the crash of big.
You want to see my top 10? I want to see your top 10. Forget my top 10. I want to see your top 10. What's your top 10? Show me yours. I'll show you mine if you show me yours. Everything is so corporate. I'm trying to make enough money to give to all the poor kids, and that is what the herb is for. Helping people feed the poor. ACB, CanTrust, T-God. Nice picks. I like your picks. I like the way you're thinking. I already know your number one, Pistol Pete. Is it Aurora Cannabis? We can all get high. I'ma spread my wings, I'ma feel alright. And one day we gon' fly. We gon' make this money, we gon' live. Hexo! Good point, Hexo. Coors Light, Hexo. This is cannabis infused. You didn't know. Yo, Big Zini, what's up, man? I love your picks, bro. Let's see. Kron, Weed, Afria, Aurora, Ianthus, Chiron, Organogram, CanTrust, Pura, Hexo. Yo, those are 10 big monsters, that you play with. I like those 10. I like your 10. Yo, Big Zini's top 10 is solid. Frank, Aurora, all the way to 10. All right, I like that too. I'm down with that too. Hey, man, if you got one pick that you think is just going to ride, and you're going to ride or die, Aurora's a good one to go with, man. Can't go wrong with the biggest company in the world. The largest production capacity. So did you guys not see that was all predicted? Like, did you not hear the words of the song? Ill Kid predicted the cannabis stock resurrection, which we clearly are in the cannabis stock resurrection. Okay? It's got me in a good mood. CanTrust at $12.16. Wow. up 3%. So many winners, man. And then there was a winner today in our group chat. It was up like hundreds of percent. Do you guys know which one that was? Guys are dropping picks. Guys are like getting hits, picks. You know, I got like rollers and stuff. Yeah, it's intense here, man. It's intense. But yeah, for all the Portuguese people out there, I do represent my country. The rooms are falling. I do represent my country. Sorry, there's paint on everything right now, but yeah. I do represent my country. This is my country right here. Forza Portugal, there it is. Forza Italia, that's all right. You know, we love Italians too, man. I love everyone. Doesn't matter where you're from, man. As long as you subscribe, I love you, man. Subscribe. I got love for you, man. Lots of green on that flag, baby. And red, too. Hey, you guys notice that? Did you guys notice the Portuguese flag? I don't know if you guys noticed this, but this flag is green and red. You guys noticed this, right? The green and red? Okay, just check if you guys noticed the green and red. All right. It's like the markets, right? The green and the red. All right. Some of you caught that. That's the way we go, man. Salty nuts. TX up 300%. What's the symbol? NUTS? NUT? NUTS? Nuts? Salty nuts? I don't know. I don't see it. Am I a World Cup Portuguese soccer fan? Obviously. Soon you guys will see. You will see when it comes to soccer. ACB in my homeland. So that's the thing. So that's okay. So what's going on with Aurora in Portugal? Speaking of Portugal, you guys brought it up. You guys brought it up. Yes, Cristiano Ronaldo, CR7, the best player in the world, is playing in Italy for Juventus. Of course. It's true. It's true. So, like, yeah, I'm hearing some news about Portugal and Aurora Cannabis. What is that? What is that news? What is that news? So, yo, Aurora Cannabis, if you guys are listening, I am Portuguese. I got mad hookups in Portugal. Love to work with you guys out in Portugal. Let's make it happen. Aurora Cannabis to enter Portugal with acquisition of Gaia Farm. Aurora Cannabis expands into Portugal, enhancing European market leadership. Wow. Aurora Cannabis today announced that it has agreed to terms to acquire a 50% ownership interest in Gaia Farm LDA, a licensed applicant in Portugal to establish a local facility to produce medical cannabis and derivative products. The company will be renamed Aurora Portugal LDA. On February 21st, 2019, Gaia Farm LDA received approval of its application to construct an EU GMP compliant cannabis cultivation facility from Infarmed, a division of the Portuguese Health Ministry, which is responsible for the evaluation, authorization, regulation, and control of human medicines, as well as health products for the protection of public health. Interesting. Very interesting. Wow. So this makes Aurora Cannabis active now in 24 countries. 24 countries, guys. So you guys know what I think about Aurora Cannabis. 24 countries. This is global domination. Global cannabis domination legally. Aurora Cannabis is legally the biggest drug dealers in the world. Right? Isn't that what Aurora Cannabis is? Legally, they're becoming the biggest drug dealers in the world. Legally. Say that word with me. Legally. Aurora Cannabis is a lock. It's a lock. The lock. It's a lock, man. Like, come on. Biggest legal. So nobody chasing them down, eh? The biggest legal grow operation, CBDs, legal drugs. It's pharmaceutical grade. It's going to be food. It's going to be CBDs. It's going to be cannabis. Everything. Every single parallel with cannabis, Aurora Cannabis has their hands in it. Everything. That's why they're number one. And they're priced at $10. That's why they're number one. The price is still relatively cheap in comparison to some of their competitors like Canopy Growth. $60, right? And Aurora Cannabis has 3 times the amount of shares. So let's just times Aurora by 3. That means they'd be priced at $30 in Canada. Canopy Growth is priced at $60. So they're still priced at double what Aurora Cannabis is. Now, they also did have more revenue, and they have $5 billion of cash in the bank. However, Aurora Cannabis is in 24 countries. So it's a battle between who wants to be number 1 and who wants to be number 2 and who wants to be number 3 and who wants to be number 4. And everybody's going to be knocking on that door. Yo, man, I'm drinking, man. I'm drinking Coors Light. It's after hours. No kids here. I'm of age. I'm at home. I'm not driving. I'm probably going to order some Chinese food, maybe some pizza. We'll hang out and just talk about this crazy stock market that is going to make us all rich because we're in the cannabis game. We're in the cannabis game, folks, legally. You need like 80 Coors Light to get drunk. Where's the weed? I don't know. Where's your weed, man? Show me your weed. I'm in Vancouver, man. We got the best shit over here, man. But I don't know, man. I'll show you the beers. I'll show you beer. You show me your weed. Ianthus is a beast too, man. Let's take a look at Ianthus. What's Ianthus? What did Ianthus do today? So many good companies, man. Waiting for a pullback. It ain't coming. When's the pullback coming? Big Zini. When's the pullback coming, man? Big Zini. We need to know when the pullback's coming. Because everything just keeps going up, man. It's crazy. So Ianthus was up 0.26% today. Not even 1% today. But it's an 80% buy on bar chart with an average short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Long-term, the trend strength is strong. Long-term indicators mostly agree with the trend. I like this bad boy, man. It's going to go way higher. Ianthus is going to go way higher. Feel it in my guts. 761, going way higher. It's going way higher. It's going on way higher. It's going to go. You think that the pullback came? Man, so what? Aurora's just going to run now? We're not going to have any more pullbacks for Aurora? Aurora's just going to run? You guys just think Aurora's just going to go? I don't know, man. You guys want to talk about Namask? Is it one of the better companies to be focused on right now? Does it have the momentum? I don't know. Right now, Aurora Cannabis was up 6% today. It's a 56% buy with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Long-term, the trend strength is weak. Long-term indicators mostly agree with the trend. The volume was nasty, 39 million. Whew. Whew. That's badass, man. Badass volume. That's a badass volume. Yo, man, we need some tunes here. Straight up. Party needs tunes. The party needs tunes. Do you guys have any requests of any songs you like? What about oh, the Bulls for ACB are out, man. Momentum is growing, that's for sure. A little bit of reggae. A little bit of reggae for y'all. What a beautiful day. Thank all the stock gods for our daily bread. Crazy, man. Our Telegram group is blowing up right now. Yo, are you guys in our Telegram group? Yeah, 48 North, man. Yo, 48 North. I dropped that video. 48 North. 100% buy. Top 1% signal strength. We knew this. We called this. We called this, right? The Telegram group just keeps going, man. Telegram group just keeps going, man. Sold your OGI today, loaded up on Ianthus. Those are both great companies. I only drop original content. All of this music is original. All this content is original. One time on the mic, music so good, I'ma feel so right. You're all in on Aurora? Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go, Aurora Cannabis. Let's go. 48 North. 48 North has been on a tear. Up 13% today. No. Just give me the light. Oh, oh, oh. Just give me the light. Oh, man, I was waiting for Aurora to go a little bit lower. I wanted to buy some at 9. And I'm actually was ready to buy some at 9, but I honestly was feeling like it was going to, like, I wanted to buy it lower. And then I see it run today, and I'm just like, oh, man. Really? Really? It's crazy, man. It's, you know what's crazy for me, guys? What is surreal for me? And you know what's crazy is Aurora actually is up pre-market, like post-market, another 1.81%. Just so you guys know. Aurora Cannabis, you know, is a stock that I've been watching since it was at $1. And I just like I swing trade it, you know, like I buy the dips. And I bought it at 7, I sold at 10.77, and now It's back at what, 775 in America. Let's see in Canada. Is it back to 1077 where I sold it? 1020. So it hasn't even got back there yet. Hasn't even got back to where I sold it yet. So I don't know. I thought about buying it at the dip. 9 didn't get me that excited. 10 gets me less excited. But I want to buy it. I want to ride it. You know, but I don't know, man. Up 6.36% today. The Canadian one, the American one is up post-market. The New York Stock Exchange Aurora Cannabis, which it's funny to say New York Stock Exchange Aurora Cannabis because I honestly, I remember this thing, man. Like, oh man, it's crazy. I've been watching Aurora Cannabis grow from one country, Canada, to now 24 countries. And it's just blowing my mind. And now that they're on the New York Stock Exchange, it blows my mind. It blows my mind. It's crazy. And Village Farms, like this thing just goes up every day, up another 2.6%. Like, what's up with these things? Like, when are they going to have a pullback? Wow. Village Farms on the NASDAQ now up 3.94% today after a pullback for one day, back in the green. This momentum is undeniable. This momentum is undeniable, guys. There's a lot of momentum in this marketplace. Lot of momentum. And the momentum has started since around December 20th. December 20th, December 24th, right before Christmas. That's when it started. Since then, it's been amazing. It's been absolutely amazing. And we have a WhatsApp group where we talk about it every day. And I know that there's been some picks that have been just like on fire. People have been making money. And it's just nice to be a part of something like this and watching it grow, watching it develop, watching it manifest. And to watch Aurora Cannabis grow and Canopy Growth grow the way that they've grown is a little bit mind-boggling. Like, you can swing trade these stocks, but technically, if we just focus on accumulating the best companies, make a fortune. The way that they're just charging up is crazy, especially over the last 2 months. It's nuts. It's really nuts. It's been a crazy run. And I hope you guys have been able to take advantage of it. I believe that Aurora is one of the few that hasn't made a run. So I think Aurora is due for a big run. I'm holding cash right now. I'm holding a few positions right now, but I'm holding mainly cash. I'm in a cash position waiting for the market to go back, but it's not going back. I don't like chasing in the green, and the market just keeps going green. I'm waiting for a pullback. And there's just not been no pullback. So, like, what do? You just buying the green? Is that what you guys are doing? You guys buying the green? Because even if it goes red one day right now, I'll watch it, and then the next day it goes green again. It's like, okay. You know, like, when is this momentum going to stop? Because it's been a crazy run. All these stocks are overvalued. And this is what I'm saying, like, a pullback is coming. This is why I'm staying in cash. I'm waiting for the market to drop, but it's not dropping. So in a situation like this, then you start looking for the better value plays, like companies like TGOD, you know, companies like Aurora Cannabis, that compared to their competitors are undervalued. But compared to the normal street and investing, they're overvalued, you know, because they're trading at crazy price to earning ratios. Like the Green Organic Dutchman is trading at $4.04 in Canada, up 5%, 88% buy on bar chart. So they're creating a lot of momentum right now. With the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction, long-term, the trend strength is average. Long-term indicators mostly agree with the trend. However, the market is highly overbought. Beware of a trend reversal. So like momentum is starting to build. So even though I'm wanting to be in cash and I'm waiting for a dip, I see that the momentum is building. So is this a trap? What do you guys think? The wheat ETF is doing well. The whole sector is doing really well. That's what I'm trying to say. Does it go higher from here? And do we break higher highs for the industry? Or does it go back down? Or kind of in between? Like if you go to, if you guys pull up the marijuana index, you can get all this on richtvlive.com. And you pull up the marijuana index. You'll see that the market is at, in Canada, 668. Now, it's been as high as, its 52-week high is 906. And its 52-week low is 403. So it's actually kind of right in between the 52-week high and the 52-week low. So it's really hard right now. Momentum is up. But will this continue? Will there be a pullback, or will this continue, and will we see higher highs? Pistol Pete says, we were bleeding only a couple of months ago and most of last year. I don't see a pullback. I don't see a pullback anytime soon. Okay. But if you know that we were bleeding all of last year, how could you not expect some type of pullback if we were bleeding all of last year? APHA gets bought out or a partner first. Thoughts? No, I don't think APHA gets bought out. I thought that Green Growth Brands put in a good attempt, but once the price went higher, I thought that the deal didn't make sense for an investor. Yo, Brent, what's up, man? You're a beast, bro. FUSZD going to 30 plus. Let's watch it run. Yeah, man, it's been on fire, man. Great call there. Yeah, what did IGCC do today, guys? Let's take a look at it. Wow, up another 44%? What the hell? Up another 40%, 44%? I thought they went down today. Nobody even talked about it. It was up another 44% today? Confused. This thing just goes higher every day. IGCC went to IGC? Is that what happened? Yo, you guys tell me. What is this? India Capital Growth Fund Limited? I don't know, man. I'm waiting for a pullback as an investor. I think it's very scary to be buying at all-time highs. But FOMO is real, right? So you have to be very careful. I'm sipping some Coors Light right now. I don't know. I don't see no IGC. Jibsy007 says, Rich, heading for dinner with the family. Thanks for all that you do. Love the channel. It's true. Cheers. Yo, mad respect, man. Enjoy your family. Have a great dinner. Zenobus chart looks bearish. What did Xena do today? Wow, down 5%. Buying opportunity? I think at these prices, Zenabis compared to its peers is dirt cheap, guys. Dirt cheap. I don't know how many times I have to say this, but I always like to say, like, you just gotta buy. 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 When I'm seeing like Sanivas, T-Gods, Zenabis, Medman, trading at $3-4. Come on, guys. You guys know what's up. IGC is on the New York Stock Exchange now. It's not pulling up on bar chart for some reason. Brent is saying that same person that gave him info on FUSZD says GHHC is going to 20 in the coming weeks. GHHC. Is it a cannabis stock or is it crypto? Because if it's crypto, I wouldn't touch it. But if it's cannabis, then that's possible. Yo, what's up, Life with Mike? Donald Trump, how you doing? Thank you for joining us, Mr. Trump. IGC is at $2.02, so it went down. Let me try to pull it up on TradingView. I don't know. I still see it as IGC at 276, up 44%. No idea what the real price is with IGC. Pistol Pete says, Rich, it doesn't sound like you're long on any of these companies. I love all these companies, but bro, financially, like price to earning ratios are out of whack, bro. Like listen to any financial analyst and they'll tell you they're not buying cannabis stocks. Like this is just straight like wow west. You have to be very careful with your money, man. You can ride the momentum, but at some point it's going to drop. And that's when I'm going to buy. When they cry, I'll buy. I'm in no rush. I don't really care. I don't put my money in harm's way. I ain't going to chase stocks at 52-week highs. I'll put some money to play, but not big money. Not buying 52-week highs. Not buying 52-week highs. It's not happening. You guys want to know what I'm holding? What are you guys holding? It's really difficult for me to talk about what I'm holding because it seems as though I have short traders that like to short everything I hold. So if you were me, would you want to publicly talk about what you're holding? If people are shorting everything that you hold and everything you talk about on your channel? Trying to make Rich's picks fail. Trying to make my picks fail. But yet the picks still keep going up. Which stocks, Pistol Pete, are at 52-week lows? You're talking about all the small ones. Yeah, I'm talking about the big ones. I'm talking about the big ones. Oh, there's lots of people watching. Yo, what's up from Brazil? Brasileiro. But I'm going to start hitting into the markets pretty soon, but I'm just waiting for a pullback. It's going to come. It's going to come. It has to. Or there's going to be a massive one more big jump, and then there's going to be a big pullback. So either way, we'll be there one way or another. What do you think about the Wolf of Wall Street? I think he's out there frauding. No, man, I think the Wolf of Wall Street is just like everybody else, man. He's just trying to make a buck. There's a lot of people out there trying to make a buck, man. Everybody's trying to make a buck, right? Everyone's just trying to survive in this crazy world. People want to call people frauds, but, you know, I don't know. I'm not here to call anybody anything. Everybody's just trying to make a buck. And Jordan Belfort predicted that Bitcoin would crash. He was 100% correct. So I have mad respect for him. I have respect for people that are able to predict the future. I like that stuff. That stuff gets me excited. Because that's what we do here. We predict the future, right? It's not easy to predict the future, but we do it every day. And, you know, people are like, Rich, why don't you buy the stocks that you talk about? You know, you guys have to understand that, you know, when you have a large audience and you have a lot of people that are watching, there's a lot of conflicts of interest. So you have to be very careful with what line you want to draw in the sand. If I don't buy the stocks, guys, I can talk about all the stocks. If I buy all the stocks, then I got to talk about the fact that I'm buying all the stocks. Yes. I don't know, man. What would you do if you were me? So, you know, you have to make your choice. But FOMO is real. There's a reason why I made that song. FOMO is real because when I see them going up, believe me, I want to get in. But I also don't want to create any problems for myself or for anything that I'm doing or anybody. So sometimes it's better just to be clean with your conscience and just have no agenda and just give you guys great picks that are winning. I got no agenda. I'm not buying it. And, oh, Rich is buying it. Then he's giving us the pick. Then he's selling into the buying. Like, I hear all the crazy theories that people have, man. I'm like, are you serious? Like, I'm talking different stocks all day long. I'm live right now. I'm not even buying stocks right now. So, like, if I'm not buying the stock, how the hell could I be talking about it and then buying it and then selling it? Oh, and then it goes up and then he sells into it. Like, crazy theories, man. I want to buy all the stocks. I want to own all the stocks, but I also want to build this platform. So I'm in a little bit of a conundrum. Big Zini says, I can't predict the future. That's why I day trade. That's good, man. I like that. You're a good day trader, Big Zini. I have mad respect for you, man. A lot of you guys are very good day traders. A lot of you guys are better traders than me. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm an investor. You know, I buy stocks, I buy houses, I buy businesses, I build businesses, I do consulting, build companies, I do sales. That's what I've always done my whole life. So, you know, and the markets for the last 2 years since the cannabis stocks all went public, it's been like mind-boggling to think what's happened here. And if we can really just stay in our lane and we can master this game, we can get so good and we can make so much money, all of us. And I believe a lot of you guys are better traders than me. And this is not about me being the best trader. A lot of you guys are better traders than me. This is about us having the most coolest, most vibrant community where we can all just like have fun and make money. That's it. That's what this is about for me. I don't know. That's what this is about. So I just get excited when I see like I can leave the WhatsApp group or the Telegram group or different groups. And then I come back and there's like hundreds, if not thousands of messages, you know, people just sharing picks, people winning, people sharing their stories, people feeling good, you know, people having like a place where they can just like go and just like talk and like, okay, I got nothing to do. Let me get on my phone. Let me check what's up on the Telegram, you know? And you're just in there and you're just like, you know, I don't know. This is the new world. This is what people do. So, you know, we'd love to have you guys in the Telegram, and let's build this, man. Let's build this. Let's do something big. I feel something special is coming. I don't know what. You know, I'm just riding this wave like you guys, and I'm just excited to be a part of this. I'm just an average guy trying to do above average things, man. I don't have a hidden agenda. I'm not some guy sitting on like billions of dollars. I'm a single dad trying to make it just like you guys. I'm learning to trade. I'm getting good at trading. I'm getting better every day. As a community, I believe we can become great. And we're going to be putting more tools in place so that we can really master this game and create a vibrant community where we can talk about how we can share ideas and how we can like help each other make money in like real estate, stocks, anything legally, right? Cannabis, CBDs, right? Like this is what I get excited about. And I don't know. I just feel like it's our lane, you know, like we're in our lane. And I'm just excited to be a part of this, man. I'm just super excited to be a part of this industry. I feel blessed. I'm blessed that we even have like 67 people here. Guys, I would love it if you guys smash the like button. Smash that like button. I really appreciate it. You guys mean so much to me, man. It means so much to even have you guys like watching. I'm actually renovating and flipping a property, so it's been really difficult for me to be in the market and focus on doing this at the same time. I'm still trying to do my best to bring you guys good picks and bring you guys winners every day, and I'm still trying to do my best to keep paying attention to the conversation and the Telegram and see what's going on in the market to try to keep you guys updated on all the best information. But you guys are ahead of the information more than me a lot of times, right? So please keep sharing that, you know, like in the chat, I want it to be able to go, like I could leave and the chat just keeps going because you guys are talking with each other, sharing information with each other, sharing winners with each other, you know, that's my vision, right? Like the people helping the people. And then we build a machine where we can all come together and we can all find different ways to make money and help each other. That's the vision here. And it should be fun, you know, like we had people fighting in our Telegram yesterday. And it's like, they're fighting. It's like back and forth and back and forth. It's like, guys, like, why are we fighting each other? Life is hard enough as it is, okay? Why are we fighting each other? Think about it, right? Life is hard, right? Why do we fight each other? We're all trying to help each other, rise each other up, right? Why we, you know? So like people in the Telegram, they fighting over nothing, right? Really, it's like over nothing. I don't know what it was. Someone said this, he said, she said, nonsense, right? Someone said this, another person said that. Who cares? What's the next winner? You know what I mean? Like, who cares, right? What's the next winner? Like, that has to be the attitude, man. Like, that's how we're going to make money, right? No, I know humans fight, but I also think that there's a little bit of trolling to it. Haters and trolls will do that stuff to try to create dissension, to try to create a cancerous situation, to try to create hate and try to get people to, you know, feel uncomfortable, you know, and I think that we have to work together to eliminate the hate. You know, like the community needs to cleanse itself, to manage itself. If there's somebody in here and they're being stupid, hey, Rich, look, this guy's being stupid. Boom, we get rid of them. Like that's what it has to be. Like we have a few people here that are moderators. It's their job to get rid of and cleanse the channel, right? So, like we need to understand that we live in a time in 2019 where trolls and hate is real, right? So, since we know that trolls and hate are real, we have to deal with it. But, I also think it's important that we talk about what's winning, what's trending, what can make us money, what's the next big pick that's going to go up 1,000% and make us all 10 times our money. That's why we invest. This is why we invest, guys. You like my lithium pick? Standard Lithium? It's going to be a monster. Moderators don't get paid. Not yet. One day when Rich TV Live is a platform big enough that's actually making a lot of money, then yeah, absolutely. There's going to be lots of compensation. Our plan is to eventually, most likely take the company public, right? And issue shares to members. So, that are participating and helping the company grow. That's what good companies do. Duarte Barrow says, I think XOY is getting close. Dom says, should I buy SLL? I don't know. You can do whatever you want. I can't tell you guys what to buy or sell. I just think that it's a good company, and I think it has good long-term potential. Short-term, I don't know what it's going to do. It went down today because they have a $10.5 million bought deal financing at $1, and the stock was at $1.10. So what are people going to do? Okay, these guys can convert down to $1. I'm at $1.10. I might as well just sell, mitigate my risk. Stock goes down a little bit. It's now down 10%. It's at 99 cents. So now Canaccord's down on that investment already. I think long-term they're going to do very, very well. But the whole goal here is not to figure out what the top is, it's to figure out the bottom. Right now, they're not close to the top. They're more closer to the bottom. So since they're closer to the bottom, we want to hunt the bottom. And if it goes down, then that's creating a buying opportunity. Now, will it go down more tomorrow? It might. It might. So we need to, watch it carefully and try to hunt the bottom. Luis Suarez says, have fun and make money is the motto. That's what the motto for life should be, right? Everyone's like, Big Zini says, I just want to call in sometime, Rich, talk chart analysis. You want to call me right now? Call me right now. Pistol Pete says his goal is to be a millionaire in less than 3 years. That's a great goal, man. Write it down, work your ass off, and it's very possible. Frank says, I want to buy Rich TV. Going to dilute my company to buy you out. G-Buzz says, are any other YouTube channels public? I don't know. It's a good question. How do I get my screen on live? You have to send me your email address, and then I can send you an invite, and then we could do a video, or we could do picture-in-picture, your screen and my screen. Hey, Miss C, how you doing? Thank you for all your support, Miss C. Really appreciate it. It's true, Louis. The best is blessed. Yeah, that's the plan, Joe. That's the plan, man. KHC a buy. KHC? Kraft Heinz? I don't know. $33 down 3%. It's getting beat down. Not a bad idea. But what is the bottom? It's an 88% sell on bar chart. Long-term, the trend strength is in the top 1%. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of the trend. Interesting. ACB is looking really good. Big Zini, email me at richtvlive@gmail.com. Listen, man, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm just an average guy trying to do above average things, okay? I don't have all the answers. I've made a lot of mistakes in my life, okay? I'm not perfect. Definitely not perfect. But I feel like we're on the verge of something big. But it's not easy, building something. And it takes time. And the fact that you guys are here and, I'm your pilot and you guys are just here with me, man, it just means so much. And I've watched this grow for 2 years, right? So to see where it is now and see where I think it can go, I still feel I got such a chip on my shoulder because I just feel like we should be so much farther, right? But I also understand that everything is just like paying dues. So, I'm here, man. While I'm painting, I'm here. I'm checking the market, trying to, stay up to date with everything, trying to stay up to date with the news as much as I can, keep giving you guys as much good content as I can, so that we can just keep rolling and keep moving to the next level, man. I feel like there's so much, it's right there. And I can't tell you guys what's coming, behind the scenes. But there's so much. And this is just big part of it. You guys don't really know my whole story, but this is a part of it. So it's true life, right? True life. Yes, MedMen is gonna be. Frank says, I'm in electrical. Hey, that's cool, man. That's cool. I've been flipping houses since I was 25, right? A lot of people don't know, but I'm 41. So you're like, oh, you're 41. You don't look 41. I'm 41, man. I've been flipping houses since I was 25 for 16 years. I've flipped 13 houses. So just buy and flip them, buy them, renovate them, rent them, and then sell them. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm in Vancouver. I'm from Toronto. I used to do this in Toronto. Then I moved to Vancouver. But now I'm thinking about going down to, I'm thinking about other places now. Because this place is it's too expensive. This place is too expensive. You know what I mean? Yo, you guys want to hear? Yo, Big Zini wants to hear Don't Panic. Let's put it on.
Online trading with virtual brokers?
Yo, shout out where you're from. I'm from the T-Dot. T-Dot. And listen, man, I made this song with Ill Kid because I've panicked and sold and made these mistakes. Yo, Saga. I lived in Saga, man. Highway 10 in Eglinton, man. Square one, man. Right there. Years. Montreal, Ottawa, St. Clair, Kansas City. Burlington, Ontario, Jamaica, Jamaica, Illinois. Yo, Bristol Square One. Yo, man, you're like in my neighborhood, eh? I was on Bristol area too. Wilmington. Hi from Calgary. Yo, what's up, Calgary? St. Louis. We got some Americans in the house. God bless America. Vaughn. We got a lot of Canadians in the house. Wilmington, North Carolina. Windsor, Ontario. How to sell high? Wall Street. You're looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. It's round and round we go. Where we stop, we just don't know. Don't bet it, don't bet it. Arizona. Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't bet it, don't bet it. Something has to be done about this. Mr. Attorney, this is what I'm paying for. What can I do? Litigation it is. Get the wheels in motion. Yo, that Ill Kid is just deadly, man. Ill Kid is deadly. Deadly. Just deadly. He's a beast. So yeah, man. I just want to find winners. I feel like over the last few months, we've gotten really good at finding the winners. And there is an academy that we are going to be introducing to you, the people. And if you guys are welcome to join, you guys can join the academy if you like and get trading signals. And this is not my academy. This is another outside academy, but I am going to be learning about this platform. And I am going to be offering this platform to anyone who's interested. And the individual who runs the academy will be coming on our show. And I'll be introducing him to you, the people of our community. And I believe it could be another tool that we can put in our belt that can give us access to more winners in real time. And giving us tools that can just give us that advantage. What's up, BC? Everywhere in Vancouver, everywhere in BC, in the Lower Mainland. What's up? What's up? Aurora, Illinois. What's up? Los Angeles, California. How's it doing in LA? One of my favorite cities. One of my favorite cities. Morris, Illinois. Oh, so we got like 50% of our audiences in America and 50% of our audiences in Canada. Sometimes I feel like I'm more American than Canadian. I'm not American, but I feel like I should be. When does the academy start? We're just getting all of that in place. I don't like to rush anything. Just take our time. Do things the right way. Do things the right way. There's no rush. Bring up some hot chicks for this Rich TV live show. We could do that. I take requests. What's the academy exactly? It's a trading platform. It's a trading academy. Buying signals, educational training, like one-on-one educational training. So many people that we're collaborating with, right? And there's just so many opportunities that just keep presenting themselves. And there's really good people out there. And like I said, we're one platform and I'm one trader, but I feel like I can get better. You can get better. We can get better. And I feel like it's my responsibility to bring as many good tools to the table as I can. Like I use my tools, but there's a lot of outside tools that are becoming available to us. Joe Cracker says you should open up a trading school. That's kind of like what this is. It's a process, right? Yes, 48 North has been absolutely on fire. I gave you guys a full alert on the weekend, and they have not disappointed. They just continue to go up. 48 North is just like, it's nuts. It's crazy. Up 13% today. This chart just looks crazy. What's the other one you got there? 48 North and VGTL. $0017. Yeah, I don't know about that one. What is it about 0017 you like? Am I familiar with Matt from Market Moves? I'm not familiar with him, but I've heard of him. Andy Lopez says, come down to Florida, Rich, and wear shorts all year and live like a king. I want to do that, but I have kids. This is my problem. My dilemma, my conundrum. Otherwise, guys, I'd be traveling all over the world, man. Just meeting you guys and hanging out. Get this trading down to like a science. That's what I want. That's really what I want. You just made a fun speculation play with VGTL. Is it cannabis stock? You bought 1.5 million shares. Okay, I hope you win, man. I wish you the best. Sold your Chiron and bought ACB and OGI. Yeah, ACB and OGI are great companies. Chiron looks like it's lost a little bit of its momentum. Pura had a good day today, I heard. Everyone's been talking about Pura today. Wow. Big spike up 59% today. Wow. Puration plans major cannabis beverage announcement to coincide with Starbucks and Tilray heating up cannabis beverage sector. Yo, Pura. Oh my goodness. Yo, Pura deserves a full alert, right? Pura deserves a full alert. I'm going to be doing a top 10 video very soon. I'm just thinking about it. I'm waiting to the last day to see all the stocks to make sure I get the best 10 for you guys. And I also like to put in a couple surprises and a couple of new ones just to keep it interesting. Otherwise, it would always be the same. Am I hooking up with Ricky Gutierrez? No, I've actually reached out to I've reached out to Ricky Gutierrez, but he's never reached back out. So, Ricky, if you're watching, Ricky Rich TV just seems to work, right? But his channel's a lot bigger than mine, so I will collaborate with anybody. Anybody that wants to collaborate, your boy's always down to collaborate. I'm just chilling, man. Yeah, you can't buy Pura on RBC. That sucks. Puration is on full alert. It's a full alert. Full alert. Full alert. Full alert. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my cloud. You can just get off my cloud. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Sorry, I love that song. But this is full alert.
Everybody needs fresh food. That's why we deliver it to your door. Just shop
Yo,
from
Ill
any
Kid
of
is
your
good,
favorite
man.
stores,
I can listen
and
to
we'll
this
do the rest.
playlist all day long. Pura is on a full alert. Full alert. Full alert. Pura. Wow. Pura. Wow. Wowzers. Pura is on a full alert. What they gonna be? What I say about Anthus? We gave you all the answers. TRST shit, you know it's cancerous. Don't forget about Africa. We brought you in the harvest, but why you hate on the kid? Shit, that shit is faultless. It's the 52. Low. That's just how it go. Rich TV is here. We're about to make some dope. Right on everything in January. We were right. Now, rolling up some good in the backwood. Yeah, we pumping clouds. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Let's go. Pura is on a full alert. Ooh, Pumps and Dumps. I can make a song called Pumps and Dumps. You want me to make a song called Pumps and Dumps? We can do that. It's a good idea, actually. I'm going to call Ill Kid right after the song's done. Very Green Day today, Steve. This is a celebration. If you got it, roll it. If you have a drink, drink it. It's a Green Day. It's a day to celebrate. It's a day to celebrate. We win it. Make my way up to Supreme. If you bet on this company, then you gon' make some cream. XOI, I got lots of that. It's about to pop it fat. I ain't gotta stop the rap and tell you that you copping that. Vivo, I got it. Keep your eye on Vivo. Vivo. It's moving. It's moving. It's at $1.02. Pura on a full alert. The Sasua bounce. Maven says, I thought Chiron had Portugal. I guess they both have Portugal. Sipping some Rickards Red. Nice. Have a song. Make a song about Green Days in the Diggity DR. Oh, man. My ACB is Greenrich. Thank you. Hey. Thank you guys, man. I just want you guys to win, man. I want to load up on Aurora, like hard. I would have liked to pick them up at like $5 or $6. Yeah, North just keeps going, man. I sold my ACB at $10.77. I bought it $7. Ill Kid it on his new album. The track Wake Up is fire. Yeah, Ill Kid is just a beast, man. Kid is a beast. You think that ACB is going to go up all week? It might. Yeah, I know. Puro is a full alert. We just put a song on for that. Wondering if you should swap your Chiron for Aurora. Probably a good idea right now. But, I mean, if you want to ask me which one do I like better, Chiron or Aurora, you know my answer. It's Aurora. So, I would swap Aurora for Chiron any day. Let's hope no gap up tomorrow at opening. Are you planning on buying it right at the open? Tomorrow? Has it been gapping up at the open? I think it usually does it during the day, doesn't it? Is there any other picks that we should look at, guys, before I let you go? Because we've been live for an hour and 15 minutes. I want to let you guys go. It's been a late day. I've been painting all day. Tomorrow's another day. If there's any picks you want me to look at, let me know. Otherwise, probably going to crash. OGI. Whoo, organogram. I have a song for these guys. I do. Put organogram on full alert. A 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. Organogram holdings. They're on a full alert. Thank you guys for joining. Love you guys. Keep bringing the hits. We'll keep bringing the picks and the hits. You guys have any requests? Let me know. You want Hill Kid to talk about pumps and dumps? Let me know. If there's any picks that we need to be talking about, let me know. That's what we do here, man and women. Love you guys. Thank you for all the support. You guys are the best. Thank you for joining me like late at night. Really appreciate it. Have yourselves a good night. We out.
Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Let's go. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert.
Full alert, full alert, full alert.
Full alert,
Full alert, full alert. Yo, peace out, Montreal. Pippin. Midman. Hype. Good night. Coors might be the partner for Aurora.
Company, and you gon' make some creep. So I got lots of that. It's about to pop it fat. I ain't gotta stop the rap and tell you that you copping that. Vivo, I got it in my speedo. With eyes closed eating burritos or chopping on some Cheetos. You know, I'm like, yeah, you gotta buy that shit. It's the new strike on these haters in the missile. Did you hit? Yeah. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert.
Onward and upward. This is your pilot speaking. Stay tuned. We're out. Peace. ACB to the moon and beyond. Thanks, guys. We out.